So we have come to know that the microspore mother cells which are present in the microsporangia are the actual cells which are forming your pollen grains. Let us discuss about the mature pollen grain structure. The pollen grain represents the male gametophyte which is formed inside the anther. They are generally spherical, measuring about 25 to 50 microcentimeter in diameter. It has a prominent two-layer wall, that is your outer wall known as exine and the inner wall known as intine. Let us discuss about the outer wall, that is your exine. It is the outermost hard layer made up of sporopollenin. This sporopollenin material is most resistant material to organic acids, to high temperatures, strong acids and alkalis. No enzymes that can degrade the sporopollenin which is present inside in the exine layer. It has prominent aperture called as germ pore where the sporopollenin is absent on the pollen grain. That means the sporopollenin is surrounding the total pollen grain except at the germ pore. From this germ pore, after germination, pollen tube will be growing. Pollen grains are well preserved as fossil because of the presence of the sporopollenin. So, in the exam, most of the time the question will be asked, what is sporopollenin? What is the function of the sporopollenin? So, you can write about the sporopollenin and its function in a proper way. The exine exhibits the fascinating array of patterns and designs. Next come to the inner layer, that is your intine. It is the inner wall generally made up of your cellulose and pectin. So mostly it is made up of your carbohydrate. The cytoplasm of the pollen grain is surrounded by a plasma membrane. When the pollen grain is mature, it consists of your two cells. I have told you when the microspore cells, when they will be going for your mitotic division, they will be forming your two cells in the pollen grain, that is your vegetative cell and the generative cell. Vegetative cell is bigger and has abundant food reserves and a large irregularly shaped nucleus, whereas generative cell is small and floats in the cytoplasm of the vegetative cell. It is spindle shaped with a dense cytoplasm and a nucleus. It will form male gametophyte further. In over 60% of the angiosperms, pollen grain sets at the two-cell stage. Pollen grain of many species cause severe type of allergies and bronchial infection in some people, often leading to your chronic respiratory disorders